The Ford 4.6 liter and 5.4 liter V8 engine has 8 cylinders arranged in a V-shaped layout. Over the years, it's been used in multiple Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, including the Mustang GT, the Crown Victoria, the F-150, the Expedition, and various SUVs. This engine is also commonly referred to as the Ford Triton or the Lincoln InTech. This engine is divided into two banks. Bank 1 is going to be on the passenger side. Starting from front to back, you have cylinders 1 through 4. Bank 2 is going to be the driver's side of the engine, and on this side you have cylinders 5 through 8. The firing order for this engine is shown in the picture and is as follows: 1, 3, 7, 2, 6, 5, 4, 8. The belt routing for this engine is shown here in the picture, and depending on the year and variant engine you have, you may not have the idler pulleys shown in yellow. That is idler pulleys 3 and 5. If you don't have those, there's no change in your belt routing. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.